What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, my name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music2Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
So today's video is going to be a eyeshadow tutorial of this gold and cranberry holiday look. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I am like so feeling myself right now. I think I kind of look like I mean, if I do say so myself, like a Gwen Stefani in the 90s. Or like during Holla Back Girl times. I ain't no Holla Back Girl. I love Gwen Stefani. That was the very first concert I went to, was No Doubt. And then my second one was Boyz II Men. But oh my gosh, this is, I was gonna do like a yellow toned gold look. And then I was like, no, I want to do something that's like a neutral, like true gold that you can wear for like Christmas or New Year's. It's not going to be just a like Christmas look. And so that's why I used the like neutral gold and then the like mauves and purples. So it could be either or whatever you would like. This would be like great going out, especially with this lipstick and then this dress. Like I think I'm going out apparently, even though I'm just sitting in my living room. So if you would like to see how I got this fall gold and cranberry with a raspberry lip berry inspired eyeshadow tutorial, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications right there so you know when I upload. Let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, let's get started. So I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette and go in with that neutral mauve brown and in Morphe E27. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease as a transition shade. So I'm just going to blend from outer corner to inner corner and just make sure that that looks kind of okay in the crease. I mean, we're going to be covering up for the most part, but so it doesn't need to be perfect, but you still want it to be blended. Now I'm going to go in with the Ruby Obsessions and that like coralish color. I just wanted to put a little bit of like orange in the crease and blend out that brown a little bit. So I'm just putting a tiny bit in. Now I'm going in with a Morphe M433 and we're going to go in with that like burgundy shade. Oh, it's like like a beautiful like cranberry color. Yes, that's what it is. It's a cranberry. And I'm just going to be like packing that on the outer corner, and then once the majority of the product is off my brush, I am going to slowly bring it into the crease. And I did have to build this color up a little bit, but it is a purple, so I was expecting that to happen. So, as you can see, I'm just going back in with some more and then dragging it into the crease. There's also going to be a giveaway at the end of this video. I forgot to mention it in the intro, but there is. Now I'm going to be taking an M41 by Morphe and going in with that like dark like burgundy, red burgundy, and put that in the outer corner of the eye, and then once I lay down most of the color, I drag it into the crease a tiny bit. And then I take the previous brush and we're going to pat that and then blend it into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this Natasha Denona palette and go in with True Gold, that like beautiful neutral gold. And I'm going to take a flat synthetic brush and put that on my lid. Now, you should use a glitter glue. I always do, but I was being lazy and I didn't. I'm like, Natasha, no, shadows are pigmented. I don't need one, but there was quite a bit of fallout. I usually always use a glitter glue, so I forgot how much of a difference it really does make. So I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus and back into the shadow just to kind of help it stick on there and intensify it. So now I'm going to go in with that maroon brown and this very small, like, precision pencil brush, and we're going to put that in the outer corner, not the entire area. We laid that like maroon purple, but we just want to deepen the crease up and blend it in with the True Gold shadow. So I'm taking the previous more fluffy pencil brush and blending that out, and then slowly dragging it into the crease. Now I had to lay more color. That was the only thing. I had to like keep layering this color. And I'm gonna blend it out one more time with the M433. And then I bring it into the crease and just make sure that's blended. So now I'm gonna take that light pink shade and I'm just gonna go over the very edges and just make sure everything is blended and smooth. I'm gonna take this Beauty For Real eyeliner and it's called I-Line, and I'm just gonna be putting this on my lash line. It does not have to be perfect. You can be kind of messy because we are going to be going over it with shadow. But I just didn't feel like using liquid eyeliner with this look. And once I do that, I'm going to use the same eyeliner and we're going to tight line the waterline, the upper waterline. And I'm also going to be using it for the lower lash line. We're just making things easy today. And now I'm going to go back in with the Mauve Obsessions and that dark like burgundy maroon red, and we're going to go in with a angled eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to like be pressing that on to my lid and kind of into my lashes and right over where I put the brown eyeliner. And I just love that, how that looks when you put a nice dark shadow over a eye pencil. I love it. And now I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Obsessions and use that color to put on the lower lash line. I don't show it, but I do blend this out with a fluffier brush once I lay the color. And now I'm going to go in with that beige shade and highlight the brow bone. Now my camera did die here, but the only other thing I finish all my other makeup, but for the eyes, the only thing it doesn't show is mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look. Okay, I want to ask you guys a question and then I'm going to get into the giveaway. Do you prefer to see an eyeshadow tutorial with a full face tutorial, or do you prefer just like eye tutorial and then maybe like just a foundation tutorial, or just eyes? Because I know personally I prefer when it's like just eyes, unless it's like the first time I'm watching someone and I just want to see how they do their makeup and what products they use, you know, then I want to see the foundation routine. But if it's like, you know, a beauty YouTuber that I watch like consistently and I already kind of know their foundation routine, then I don't want to, you know, I don't want to see it every single video. So I just want to get your guys' perspective on that. Let me know in the comments below. And any other video topics you would like to see. So, worth it. what else was I gonna say? Oh no, the giveaway. I'm like, what else is there that I have to do? You guys are like, get to it, bitch. For today's giveaway, it is going to be for Christmas, and also because I am coming up on 150 videos. I think I have like 140, well, I technically have 149, but like 2 or 3 were pre-recorded. I wanted to do a couple extra ones while I had the free time recently, but it says 149 with those, so it's probably really like 146, 147 videos. And I used to be like very focused on like subscribers, and like was getting very discouraged because my channel wasn't growing like I thought it would, and like, you know, I would be comparing myself to other channels. And number one, you know, comparison is the thief of joy, so I wanted to stop doing that. Number two, like, that's not why I started this channel. I also want to start focusing more on like the videos, because I did start it to help you guys, but I also started it for myself because it was something I had wanted to do for so long. And like, I just feel so proud of myself when, you know, I see how many videos I have made, and then especially how much progress I have made from, don't watch it, but my first video. And I want to focus on continuing to progress and continuing to better myself and my channel, and if I believe if I do that, then, you know, I will find people who enjoy my videos. I just want my videos to, hopefully I can be helpful to you in some way, or make you smile, make you laugh, just kind of, you know, distract you from like everyday stressors, because like, in all honesty, that's why we go to YouTube, you know. So I just wanted to say that. Okay. I have a huge, oh my god, this thing is so huge, like, look at it, it's like the size of my head, full of products. There's actually one that I couldn't even fit in there. Yeah, this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, but I'm not going to go through everything. I will list everything in the description bar, all the rules, all the products, and what you have to do to enter. So to enter, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to leave a comment down below. Anything is something you like to wear, certain makeup you like to wear during the holidays, I don't care. Just put something down below in the comments. And then follow me on Instagram. I will put that down below as well, but my Instagram is at @NatRoseMusic2Makeup. Alright, so let me just go through a few things. Ooh, there is everything from makeup to skincare to hair in here. And oh, there's even tanning, like some hair leave-in conditioner, Briogeo blow dry cream, Clinique moisturizer. Oh my gosh, I was talking about this. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this Verb Ghost Oil. It is amazing. Amazing. Dr. Jart moisturizer. We got a highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite perfumes, Moschino Fresh. I have to show you guys the bottle. I'm sorry, whoever wins this, that I opened the thing. But not only does it smell good, but look at that. I love that. It means a lot that I am putting that in there, just so you guys know. But I'm not gonna go through everything. There is a lot here. So if you want to win a bunch of makeup, skincare, hair care, perfume, tanning, everything, then just make sure you're subscribed and follow the rest of the rules, and you could be the lucky winner. And one good thing about me being a smaller channel is there's a higher likelihood of, you know, someone winning because there's less people. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this video, and I love you all and hope you are enjoying the end of I almost said the end of December. The end of November. It's probably gonna be December, but I put this up. I shouldn't have said that. Enjoying the fall season. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.